Hello, welcome back guys. So we'll ask this question first of all, whether really language is necessary. I'll give you practical examples. Language is just a tool. I visited Germany. I've stayed there for 5 months. Okay. See, they don't understand English much. When you talk English, people will be a little scared also in German. Okay. Because not all German people really understand complete English. Only some people understand. Many people get scared. But they are having a #1 technology in the world. They are very efficient in automobile making, manufacturing aspects. They are good in materials, they are good in technology. They are the pioneers, they have the best in class technology. Language is not stopping anything, guys. Language is not what you perceive language is. Language is something really different because it's just a tool, that's all. Communication is what matters. And then Chinese, okay, they have everything in Chinese. They have maths in Chinese, they have science in Chinese, they have social in Chinese. But we read social in English, we read science in English, we read maths in English. That is how, maybe because of the British colonization, India has been driven like that. But when you take German and Chinese, they have their own language in a particular subject. They have Japanese main language, and then they've been taught maths in German language. They've been taught science in German language. They've been taught physics in German language. That is how their language is also growing, and then they get a very good understanding. See, when you understand certain things via your mother language, your mother tongue, you can understand faster. Let's say if you're using some secondary language to understand certain things, then your mind has to first translate into your own terms, and then that will have to convert into the meaning understanding. Let's say any science concept you're explaining. First of all, I need to translate it to my own language version, and then my mind has to convert it to understanding. Rather than going and understanding directly, I'm using some other language to communicate it. See, two barriers are happening. This is happening subconscious, guys. You can't feel it, whatever I'm saying, okay? But it happens. Let's say Tamil is your mother language. If you're learning something through Tamil, you will become very faster at grasping the contents. That is why Germans and Chinese and other people, Japanese particularly, they are very fast in grasping the concept because they've been taught in their own language. They are not using English additional language to understand certain concept, law of gravity, how the gravity is defined, and then you write it, and then you translate, and then you understand. See, this may seem easy, but it's taking a lot of time in your brain to understand, and also to retrieve, to put it back in a sentence in English. See, that is why in narrative learning is really important and very good. But it's okay if you have not done that, it's probably good. But understand, language is not that important. It's all about communication. So you need to have a personal experience. Yeah, I've told you personal experience, and flamboyant English doesn't nothing. Don't get scared by the people who are really talking big English. Yeah, language is just a tool, guys. No problem at all. Relationship, value, customers. The power of communication is actually important. I think we have a communication problem. This guy is saying, I've already fired you. You just don't even know that. Yeah. So how to improve? Now comes the important part. Let's go into the detail.